Hey, everybody. Thanks for coming to check out this week's Golden Nugget. You are going to have so much stuff in this week. Probably a lot of you use copy and paste. Do you know about collect and paste? Let's just do a quick review of copy and paste because there's lots to that. Select what you want to copy, either Control C, or in this case, we get to go up to our little copy button. And let's say I'm going to go to a new document, Control N. There I am in a new document. What is the default? This is the default font. Calibri 11, not centered. I press enter and I'm going to Control V to paste it. You'll notice that it came in exactly like the original did. So it kept the source formatting as a default. If I go here, I can change that up. I can make it look a little bit different. Sometimes it doesn't look a lot different. Sometimes it looks somewhat different. This one lost the centering, but it kept the bold picture. You're probably never going to do that. You're never going to be able to edit it and keep text only. It looks exactly like the default. I hope you know about that one. It works great for going back and forth between the internet or whatever you happen to be copying and pasting from. Cool. Now, did you realize that now that I did that copy and paste, if I go paste again, Control V, there it is again. Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. But what happens if I go back and I select something else? Maybe I'd like to bring this paragraph in. Double click to get that paragraph. Control C. What has now happened to executive summary? If I go back over to this document, I can click and Control V, and I don't have executive summary anymore. Well, maybe I don't really care. Maybe I'm done with it. But are you ever having the situation where you're going back and forth between documents? Sometimes you have them set up side by side or two different monitors or something. What I'm going to show you is how you can collect information. So this paragraph, this one way down here, this one way down here, and this one way down here, you can collect it and then you can paste it in whatever order you want. So I'm going to go back to that document and I'm going to use the example towards the bottom here of these people. So in the other document, maybe I'd like Adelaide first, and then maybe I'd like Bill, and then maybe I'd like Douglas. Maybe I'm putting them in alphabetical order. So I'm going to start by selecting Adelaide's paragraph, double click, and I'm not going to go Control C this time. And I'm going to go to the little arrow in the bottom right hand corner of this clipboard box. You might never have noticed that before. If you click on it, right now it's empty. I'm going to click on copy and it puts Adelaide's information there. Now I'm going to double click on Bill's paragraph and I'm going to hit copy. It puts his on there too. And just so that I'm not going in order, I'm going to put John's on, and then I'm also going to put Douglas's on. You can't really select the whole darn thing because that's one big chunk then that I've got selected. So I've got all of these areas. I'm just going to go to a new document this time. Board of Directors. Enter. I'm going to bring up that little clipboard thing again and look at them all there. So I can say I would like Adelaide, and it's got the same dealie there if I wanted to make it match the document that I'm in. I'm not going to worry about that now. And then I would like to have Bill. After Bill, I've got Douglas, and then I've got John. Isn't that amazing? So I've collected these items. I've put them there. If I wanted to, I could have pasted them all. So if I would have copied them in the order that I wanted them pasted, that would have been a little bit easier. I just could have said paste all. So collect them and then paste them. And then when you're done, you can clear all, because you can imagine that might slow your computer down a little bit if you have too much stuff on there. So that's your golden nugget. One of my favorites. Thanks. See you next time.